this video, I would love to discuss with you the preparation for the basic facial massage. The primary goal for a basic facial massage, the one we do with our hands, is lymph drainage. As poor lymph flow will give you a dull complexion and visually it will add up the age. Promoting the lymph drainage, we shall increase the blood microcirculation, remove the toxins from your skin and the body. I urge you to drink enough water throughout the day. It's very good to drink, say, a glass or two of water before the massage and follow up after. Now, another benefit of doing massage yourself is that you can feel how you work. No specialist can feel your skin as well as you do. You know how deep you can work, you know just how much pain you might feel, how red your skin gets, and when to stop. You also know better about the problems you want to fix. Say you want to do some extra work on the puffiness around the eye, so you could just move in there and work extensively just on that problem. And of course you will know how your skin responds to any treatment, so I think it's a great advantage. But for us to be successful in pretty much with any kind of facial massage, we need to make sure there is a preparation protocol that we follow.